friends, I'm Melanie from MelanieCooks.com, and today I'll be cooking boneless, skinless chicken thighs on a grill. So the first thing you need to do is to preheat the grill. So let me turn it on high. And I'm going to close the cover. So the grill will be preheating while I'm seasoning the chicken. So now I'm going to just brush it with oil on top and then sprinkle the seasonings. So let's add a little bit of oil. And this is just so the chicken doesn't stick to the grill. And let's sprinkle the seasonings. So here's salt, black pepper, and garlic powder. So now rub it with oil and seasonings. And let's flip it over and do the same thing on the other side. So again, I'll add a little bit of oil. And then just make sure, all the surfaces are coated so the chicken doesn't stick to the grill. And now I'll sprinkle salt, pepper, and garlic powder. And now let's put chicken on the grill. So the grill has preheated by now. So I'm going to turn the heat down to medium-low. And the correct heat setting rate depends on your grill. Some grills run higher than others. So on some it will be medium, but mine, I know it's medium-low for the chicken. And let's add the chicken thighs. And now I'll close the cover and let's check on them in 5 minutes. Now it's been 5 minutes, so let's check on the chicken thighs. So let me flip them. It's cooking. So if you see that some are, cooking quicker than others, for example, this one is already kind of black, while this one is not so much, so you can just switch them. So this must be a hotter spot on the grill. So I'm going to put this one here and take that one where the other one was. And now let's have it cook for 5 minutes, cover it again, and then we'll check and flip them over again. So now I've been cooking for 5 minutes on the second side, so let's take a look. And now we can flip them over again. Looks great. know, this one, it's actually kind of looks not, you know, too cooked on this side. So it's really, you just have to use your judgment. It's pretty brown on that side, but not much on this side. So I'm going to, I think, just flip it back. So now everything looks more even. And I'm gonna close it. And now that should be our final round of cooking. We're going to check with a meat thermometer. So let's check it in 4 minutes and see if it's up to temp. Chicken thighs should be at least 180 degrees Fahrenheit internal temperature. And if it's cooked, then we'll take them off the grill and try it. So now it's been 4 minutes, and let's check the internal temp. So here's the instant drink thermometer. So I wanted it to be at least 180 degrees Fahrenheit for thighs. Yep, so they're all over 180. So if yours is not up to temperature, just, you know, grill it. You can flip it and grill it for a few more minutes. But this is done, so I'll turn off the heat. So here they've been cooking for a total of 14 minutes, so just like a rough ballpark of how much you need. And it was a covered grill on medium-low heat. So let's take them off the heat. They look amazing, perfectly grilled. And it was so easy. Looks so good. So let me just cut one so you could see the inside. So see, it's cooked inside. Perfectly cooked meat. And now let me just cut a piece and try it. Looks so good. These thighs are so soft and they're so juicy inside and tender, and they're perfectly grilled on the outside with beautiful grill marks and deep smoky flavor. You will love it. For a free printable recipe and other easy recipes, please visit my website melaniecooks.com, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel Melanie Cooks. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Enjoy!